At number 1, we have the Click and Grow Smart Garden 3. Tired of waiting for the right season to garden? This revolutionary system lets you grow fresh plants all year round, regardless of the weather outside. And get this, it's incredibly easy. Just pop in the pre-seeded pods, fill the water tank, and plug it in. That's it. The smart technology does all the work. It automatically provides the perfect amount of light, water, and nutrients for your plants. Unlike other complicated systems, it's energy efficient, has no loud noise, and you can choose from over 50 different plant types. In just a few weeks, you'll have fresh, delicious herbs right at your fingertips, elevating any meal from simple to gourmet. Ready to start your own indoor garden? The Click and Grow Smart Garden 3 makes it easier than ever. At number 2, we have the AeroGarden Sprout Indoor Garden. Perfect for beginners, this compact hydroponic system makes gardening effortless with its automatic light timer and simple 10-minute setup. Grow up to 3 herbs, like basil, parsley, and dill, up to 5 times faster than in soil with no messy dirt required. With a water level monitor and reminders for plant food, maintenance is minimal, and you'll see sprouts in just 7 to 10 days. It's the ultimate space-saving solution for fresh herbs all year round, right from your countertop. Ready to start your gardening journey? The AeroGarden Sprout is your perfect first step.
At number 3, we have the iDoo Hydroponics Growing System, the ultimate all-in-one indoor garden for any home. Grow fresh herbs, vibrant vegetables, and beautiful flowers all year round with its 2 specialized LED light modes. Setup is a breeze, and the large removable tank and extendable light make maintenance incredibly easy. It's a fun and educational way for the whole family to connect with nature right in your living room. With a built-in water circulation system and all the accessories you need, the iDoo system offers unbeatable value. Start your indoor garden today.
At number 4, we have the AeroGarden Harvest Elite Indoor Garden. Grow fresh herbs, veggies, or flowers all year long, right on your countertop. No soil, no sunlight, and no mess required. Thanks to its high-performance 20W LED grow light, your plants grow up to 5 times faster than they would in soil. Setup is incredibly easy. Just add water and plant food, insert the pre-seeded pods, and adjust the light. That's it. The complete all-in-one system comes with 6 herb pods and specially formulated Miracle Grow plant food to get you started. The smart digital panel does the work for you, with automatic lights and reminders for water and food. Perfect for busy schedules. Imagine snipping fresh basil for your pasta or mint for your morning tea, all from your own indoor garden. The AeroGarden makes it possible. At number 5, we have the Rise Gardens Personal Garden Starter Kit. This isn't just a pot, it's a complete high-tech indoor garden system that fits right on your countertop. It comes with everything you need to get started, so you're set up for success from day one. The real magic is in the app. It monitors your plants and sends you reminders for watering and nutrients. The cutting-edge LED lighting mimics the sun, so your plants grow faster and healthier than you'd believe. In fact, you'll see sprouts in as little as 2 days, and be ready to harvest your first greens in just 30 days. Imagine having fresh herbs, leafy greens, and vegetables, all grown by you, right at your fingertips. It's the future of food, and it's in your kitchen. The Rise Gardens Kit, bringing fresh, sustainable living home. At number 6, we have the Lettuce Grow Farmstand Nook. This large-capacity vertical garden can hold up to 20 plants at once, perfect for growing herbs, fruits, and vegetables. Get ready for impressive results, with plants growing faster and larger than many outdoor alternatives. Enjoy your first harvest in weeks. While setup takes about an hour, the app integration makes ongoing maintenance a breeze. Track growth and manage lighting easily. With over 36 plant varieties available, from lettuce to cherry tomatoes, the growing possibilities are endless for any home gardener. Bring fresh, homegrown flavor to your kitchen with the Lettuce Grow Farmstand Nook.